In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an Emergent AI app. We'll walk through the publishing process from inside the Emergent platform. And the good news is that it's a very straightforward workflow. If your app is already built and ready to go, you're just a few clicks away from making it available in your chosen environment. To get started, go to Emergent AI and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to your project dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage the app you've been working on, review its setup, and access deployment options. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're in the correct project, especially if you manage more than one app. When you're on the project dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue deploy button. This is what opens the publishing flow. If you've never deployed this project before, this button is the starting point for getting your app live. If you've deployed in the past, this is also where you can publish updated versions. After clicking deploy, you'll be asked to select your target deployment environment. This step is important because it determines where your app will be published. Depending on your setup, you may see options for development, staging, or production. Take a moment to choose the environment that matches your goal. For example, if you're testing changes, a non-production environment may be the safest choice. If the app is finalized and ready for users, production is usually the right option. Next, configure your environment variables. This part matters because environment variables are often used to control how your app behaves in different environments. They can store app settings, service URLs, feature flags, and other configuration values your deployment may need. Make sure everything is filled in accurately before continuing. A small mistake here can prevent the app from working properly after launch, so it's worth reviewing carefully. Once your environment is selected and your variables are configured, click Start Deployment. This begins the publishing process. At that point, Emergent will package and deploy your app based on the settings you chose. Depending on the size of your project and the environment you selected, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to complete. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process to publish an Emergent AI app. As a final tip, after deployment finishes, it's always smart to verify that the app loads correctly in the target environment and that your configuration is working as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.